Ladies and gentlemen, we are right here with the Maranatha Blizzards, who have just won this year's Inter-High School Basketball Championship season. Ladies and gentlemen, the Blizzards have came out strong. I just want to ask, how does it feel to now be the new champions?
I mean, we always know we was gonna win from the start of the season. Just a lot of hard work, dedication, and timing. The Lord's timing. Amen.
How does it feel now to prove all of the haters wrong who thought that you wasn't gonna close it out all the way?
Hey, I ain't gonna say too much, but yesterday we beat the HJ, whatever their name is. Today we froze the Eagles. Yeah!
Hey, we the Blizzards for a reason. You get caught in the storm, you gon' get froze to death. Feel me?
Ladies and gentlemen, this was the Maranatha Blizzards. Thank you all so much for your time. Thank you.